kid. How do I look?
Great. Who's the lucky guy?
Dr. Watts!
The chemistry teacher?
I don't know what it is about that guy, but every time I get a look at his bald head and manic eyes, I go all gooey inside.
Okay, that's enough information, thanks.
Yeah, it's true. Love is blind.
I sure hope so.
Hey, kid, I need you to do me a favor. Dr. Watts doesn't actually realize that we're going on a date yet. But we are. And I need to get ready. So, can you get me Ms. Phillips' perfume from the staff room? You know where that is, right? Oh, and I almost forgot. Some candy and some sedatives. And for the sedatives, don't buy them. Just look for them in the trash. Yeah.
Okay, I can do that.
Good. Gorgeous.
I don't know what to say.
Up yours.
Don't be mean. I just want to graduate.
That does sound awful. You fourth prefect, halt immediately. Don't do that.
A fire! Stop!
Oh, he isn't a real fire.
I'm just gonna collect these.
I always get my man.
Hey, have you been down to the salon ever? I wonder what it's like.
You ever given
This is
someone
actually pretty nice.
I should look where I'm going. You're not nearly as important as me! I used to fight for money, you know!
Got it.
I hear those teachers don't want
It's so hard to get good food in this town. I miss my mom's cooking.
I'll be here for you if you ever want to talk about it.
Good for nothing, bum!
Hey!
Card!
You're not allowed to do that.
You ever kissed a
Sometimes I
girl?
feel like I'm perhaps after my article is published.
Hey, Edna, I got your stuff. Hey, Edna, you old bat, I got your stuff. Oh, whoa.
What luck!
Fantastic. If I was 50 years older, I'd date you myself.
Thanks, kid. Where's the perfume?
Right here.
Oh, thanks. I needed that. I get so nervous before a date.
Yeah, well, good luck, Edna.
Hey, kid, wait! I need you to do me a favor.
Another one?
Yeah!
What's in it for me?
Ha! I won't spit in your food.
Will you spit in Mr. Hattricks if I say yes?
For you, kid, I'll do worse than spit.
Okay. What do you want?
I want to go on a nice date with Dr. Watts.
So go then. Have fun.
Yeah, well, you know what you kids are like. You see a beautiful couple out on a date, and you're bound to do anything to ruin it.
You got a point.
So listen, I need you to watch out for me and keep those disgusting kids away.